guys, dito na kami ngayon sa Good morning guys. It's January 15, 2025 today. Kasama ka naman si Madam. So 7:07 na at this moment. So 7:30 yung class namin, which is living in IT era. So on the way kami sa building namin. Ano ba yan? Isa kong papunta lang naman. Yeah. Bye. Bye-bye. So guys, I'm here na sa loob ng campus ng Prinsu. So naglalakad na ako papunta ng department namin. So hopefully may kasama na ako. Sa third floor pa yan guys. Room 301 ata. Our administration building. So guys, I'm here sa department namin. So guys, wala pa kami classroom kaya maghihintay ako dito for a It's already 7:17 at this moment, so let's see. Lapit na mag 7:30. So guys, paakyat na ako ng third floor. Chat na yung president namin, nasa build, dito daw tayo sa Sibapa and third floor guys. Guys, I'm already here na sa classroom namin for the living in IT era. So it's already 7:22 na at this moment, but wala pa akong kasama, as you can see guys. So let's wait for them. So guys, tatlo pa lang kami nila Gypsy, tapos nila Dane. It's already 7:29 at this moment, so 7:30 yung class namin, bago na pa kami kasama. Tatlo pa lang kami, so hintay tayo sa So guys, it's already 7:41 at this moment, so like 7:30 pa lang. Advance pala yung relo ko. Mag-hi naman kayo guys.
Hi!
So naghihintay kami ng prop sa mga oras na to.
For more subscribe to this video.
Wow!
Welcome to my guys!
Wow! Guys, it's already 7:53 na at this moment, pero wala pa kaming vlog. So baka inaayos pa yung schedule niya guys.
Mag-vlog na natin ang mga
Dami yung guys, may mga dami na nag-vlog dito guys. guys, it's already 8:44 na at this moment, but wala kaming naging pro. Hindi siya nakadating, siguro masyadong busy or na-ice cream set niya guys. So yung next class namin 9 to 10:30, so which is research statistics. So papunta kami ng College of Arts and Sciences na department guys. So sama ko kayo. So guys, it's already 9:08 na at this moment. So, dito na kami sa CAS department at naghintay kami ng prep namin.
Okay, let's start here. Your name. Now we have no. Ilan? 3? 1, 2, 3. 51.
Guys, it's already 10:13 at this moment. So, kakatapos ng klase namin ng Research Statistics. So, next class namin is Sociedad at Literatura. So, untuloy kami nun guys. Guys, kakatapos ng ng klase namin for the Sociedad and Literatura. Grabe guys, 10:59 pa lang, nagkwento lang yung prep namin, tapos
Bounce na ako man.
alis na kami, orient lang. Bilis lang, dapat 11:30 pa mag-end, pero
Hindi niya kasi
tapos na.
So ako, wala akong UTS, uwian naman.
So guys, ngayon mag-lunch na kami.
Ginawa niya lahat ng way niya. Sabi niya,
already 12:31 at this moment. So, yung klase namin right now is understanding na. So, hinintay namin yung vlog namin guys.
Hindi ako makapagbuhat ng PowerPoint.
Napaalis kami dito. Marami daw naka-schedule for today. So, lilipat kami ng department. So, meron na lang kaming 1 hour para sa klase namin. So guys, it's already 1:22 na at this moment. At nandito kami sa department ng CAS guys. Dito kami magkaklase. So guys, dito na kami ngayon sa classroom. Wait lang, pinaset up kami ng projector, guys.
I can be able to give you your places. I will be sending also that.
I wanna be with you. I hope we're more than just friends. I hope you feel this too. I hope we're more than just friends. I wanna be with you. You feel this too. I hope we're more than just friends. I want